Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dimas Pratama dengan NPM 244111112. Di video ini saya akan menjelaskan salah satu materi dari mata kuliah ilmu ekonomi makro, yaitu Navigating the Global Marketplace on Open Economic Perspective. Welcome to presentation on open economics. We will explore the fundamental concept, benefit, challenge, and future trending saving economics that actively engage with the global marketplace. Understanding open economics is crucial in today's interconnected world where economic decisions in one country can have far-reaching effects on others. Defining open economy, trade, capital flows, and migration. International trade and open economy is fundamental, characterized by its active participation in international trade. This involves the exchange of goods or services with countries, allowing for greater specialization and access to a wider variety of products. Export and import, specialization in production, access to diverse goods. Capital flows. Beyond goods and services, open economic facilitates the movement of capital across borders. This includes foreign direct investment (FDI), portfolio investment, and international lending, inflation, domestic investment and growth. Foreign direct investment (FDI), portfolio investment, cross-border lending. Labor migration. The free movement of labor is another element of truly open economy. Individuals can move across borders for work, affecting labor market, remittance, and cultural exchange between nations. Skilled and unskilled labor movement, remittance back to home countries, cultural exchange. The benefit of international trade, comparative impact, increased efficiency. Countries specialize in producing goods and services where they have a comparative advantage, leading to more efficient resource allocation globally. Lower price and more choice. Consumer benefit from lower price and greater variety of goods through global competition and faster production. Economic growth. Trade force innovation, technology transfer, and economies of scale, driving overall economic growth and development. International cooperation. Engaging in trade will diplomat, enforce interdependence, potentially reduce the likelihood of international conflict. Exchange rate trade impact on trade. Exchange rates are crucial in determining the competitiveness of country export and imports. Directly implement the balance of trade. A stronger domestic currency makes import cheaper and export more expensive, potentially leading to a trade deficit. Appreciation, imports become cheaper, exports become more expensive, potential for trade deficit. Depreciation, import become more expensive, export become cheaper, potential for trade surplus. Fixed versus floating. Fixed rates offer stability but limit monetary policy. Floating rates offer flexibility but can boost volatility. Government and central bank. Government engage market to manage currency values, aiming to stabilize the economy and promote trade. Understanding this dynamic is essential for business operating is open economy. Balance of payment, current account, and capital account. Current account records of flow of goods, service, income, from investment upfront and unilateral transfer like foreign aids, trade in goods and service, investment income, unilateral transfers, capital account, records international capital transfer, such as sale and purchase of non-produced on financial assets, debt forgiveness, transfer of ownership, fixed asset, financial account, record international investment flow, including foreign direct investment and portfolio investment, foreign indirect investment (FDI), portfolio investment, reserve asset. Effect of capital flows on domestic investment. Increased investment. Influx of foreign capital and boosts domestic investment by providing additionally funds of business of expand and innovate. Lower borrowing costs. Increasing capital supply can lead to lower interest rates, making it safer for domestic firms and individual borrow. Technology transfer. Foreign direct investment often break the technologies management expensive and production method, inciting productivity, increased volatility, sudden result of capital flows and led to financial instability, curious research, and economic downturn, posing risks. Government policy and the open economy. Fiscal policy. Government use spending and taxation to influence aggregate demand, which can impact trade balance and capital flows. Monetary policy. Central bank adjusts interest rates and money supply, affecting exchange rate inflation and investment attractiveness. Trade policy. Traffic quotas and subsidies are tools used to project domestic industries for promote exports, bypassing international trade patterns. Regulatory policy. Regulatory policy. Regulation of foreign investment, labor laws, and intellectual property rights influence the age and attractiveness of international engagement. Case study. Successful open economies. 1. Singapore, a prime economy of an open economy thriving on free trade, foreign investment, and highly skilled workforce. 2. Finland, known for its robust financial services, high-value export, and regular trade policies, hosting strong global trade. 3. Ireland, leverage low corporate tax and English-speaking workforce and attract significant foreign direct investment, particularly in technology. 4. Netherlands, a major trading hub with a highly developed post infrastructure, facilitating extensive international commerce and logistics. Challenge on open economies, competition and inequality. Domestic industry impact. Local industry may struggle to compete with cheaper imports or more efficient foreign producers, leading to job loss. Policy constraints. Government may have reduced autonomy in setting monetary and fiscal policies due to essential pressure and institutional commitment. Income inequality. Globalization can disproportionately benefit equally skilled workers and capital owners, widening the gap between rich and poor. Vulnerability or shock. Open economies are more sustainable to external economic threats, financial contagion, and global supply chain disruption. The future of open economies. Globalization. Digital transformation. The increasing digitalization of trade, service, and financial force integrate economic and created new opportunities for cross-border collaboration. Precision supply chain implies on diversifying supply chain, and building regional economic bloc to ensure resilience against future disruption. Sustainable development. Growing focus on incorporating environmental and social sustainability into trade and investment policies, promoting green economy, inclusive growth, policies aimed at mitigating inequality in ensuring that the benefits of globalization are more widely distributed with social. Baik, itu saja penjelasan materi dari saya. Saya ucapkan terima kasih. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.